Hello kids, let's know about tools. Hammer, hammer. Taster, taster. Pliers, pliers. Screwdriver, screwdriver. Spanner, spanner. Saw, saw. Soldering iron, soldering iron. File, file. Pocket knife, pocket knife. Wrench, wrench. Tape measure, tape measure. Nut driver, nut driver. Nut, nut. Bolt, bolt. Clamp, clamp. Back saw, back saw. Corkscrew, corkscrew. Scissor, scissor. Split level, split level. Drill, drill. Mallet, mallet. Teflon tape, teflon tape. Chisel, chisel. Allen key, Allen key. Fork, fork. Screw, screw. Nails, nails. Caulking gun, caulking gun. Axe, axe. Step ladder, step ladder. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye kids.